starting now. I let go of the things that weigh me down and remind me of the beauty that's to be found in life all around. This is my prayer without ceasing, the negative releasing. And as I rise above my burden,